In this course, I'm expecting that you should already have a pretty good understanding of how to manage a Windows Server 2016 environment. If you have at least a basic understanding of things like how to install the operating system, how to use the server manager, and understanding what domain controllers are and domain environments are, then you should be fine. Now, as far as the demonstrations themselves, I will tell you that this course is a little bit trickier than most of my courses. And the reason why is because the easiest way for me to demonstrate things in a screen capture video environment is to use virtual machines. And there are some things that you need to do if you want to be able to use a virtual machine to act as a Hyper-V host. Okay, so if you want to follow along, I will tell you that I have gone through and configured things in a way to make my virtual machines so that they can act as virtual hosts. I welcome you to research how to do that. I would explain it to you, but different environments act in different ways. So, what I do recommend is that you get your hands on two different physical servers if you can. And if you can't, then even if you just use the one server, you can follow along with essentially all the demonstrations other than when we go to move the virtual machines from one host to another host. Okay, everything else is pretty much just done on a single host, and you can follow along just fine without having to do anything overly complicated. So that's pretty much all you need to know in order to get started with the course.